What's up, everybody? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be going over the Soldano NeuralDSP amp sim. So my three favorites are the Abasi, the Soldano, and the Gojira. Today we're going to be talking about the Soldano, and I'm going to be showing you some of the cool sounds that it has, and just kind of breaking down whether it's worth it. There's some other NeuralDSP plugins that are even more that I don't feel like are worth the extra money. I think that this is probably the best value. Gojira is a little bit more, but the Soldano has some incredible sounds in it. So you have the amp head, which you can kind of change all the knobs on here. It's got the overdrive, brightness, crunch, clean, and all the different little preamp knobs that you can change, as well as the bass, middle, and treble. The SLO 100 is kind of like the originator of the 80s high gain leads. Probably some of your favorite artists have used Soldanos. So if you go through the effects, you'll see that we have different overdrives you can, really make a huge sound out of. You have compressor, the chorus, then you have your amp head, then you have your EQ, and then you have the cabinet. So with the cabinet, you can put two different mics in different positions. You can change it just by kind of clicking and dragging, change the position, or you can change the distance, how far away it is. Also, the gate is really handy for a lot of the high gain stuff. And then we have some additional effects on here. That's the delay and reverbs. All in the box. You don't have to add a million other things. You can record this straight onto a track and not have to spend a lot of time tweaking stuff or adding effects to it. It's very, very worth it. That's my opinion. Let's see what you like about the sound. Of course, leave down in the comments any of the stuff that you may not like or want to see in the future for them. But let's kind of go through some of the presets I've made. Now the presets are basically the stock presets that come in here. I kind of just searched through to find my favorite ones because it comes with a lot of them here. I mean, as you can see, there's tons in here, and you can download even more from the website, which is from the NeuralDSP site. So there's a bunch of sounds on here that I downloaded as well that were really nice. If you have been on the fence about whether or not to get it, I would definitely try out the demo. It's 14 days completely free, no credit card required, and I can almost guarantee you within playing the first 20 minutes, you're going to want to get this. And I'm definitely not being sponsored by NeuralDSP in any way, shape, or form. I'm just going off of all the different amp sims that I've tried. Just a quick look here. I tried the Cory Wong. I'm not going to say anything negative about it. I'll just say it's not my style. The Fort and Cali I demoed as well. Again, there wasn't anything really standing out enough for me to want to get that. I tried the Granifier. That metal tone is way too scooped, and I'm not a big fan of that kind of stuff, so that just didn't work for me. I have the Parallax for my bass. This is a phenomenal bass amp, and it allows you to do compression. Nolly was really cool. Cleany, again, another nice one. Just tried all of these, every single one of them. And of course, the three that stood out to me are these three right here. So without any further ado, let's get into some of the sounds you can make in this bad boy. right, so that is about it for the testing it out phase for you guys. I hope this video was helpful for you guys in deciding whether or not you want to pick up this bad boy. I highly, highly recommend it. Again, 14 days completely free. Why not try it out? I'm sure that there's going to be a lot of stuff in here that you like. And if you did download the Soldano and you're digging it, leave a comment down below letting everybody know, what you've been running with it, whether they're, VSTs and plugins that you've been adding on top to get your sound a little bit more distinctive, and what you've been doing to make your own custom sounds in here. So thanks again for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.